For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video. ट्यूबलाइट का रिव्यू हुआ आउट। जी हाँ, लेकिन रुकिए, आप कैलेंडर को खोल के डेट देखने जाएं, उससे पहले हम ये बता दें कि फिल्म अभी रिलीज नहीं हुई है और ये रिव्यू सलमान खान के पापा सलीम खान ने दिया है। अब सलीम जी की रिव्यू और रिएक्शन तो $1 मिलियन वर्थ की है। फिल्ममेकर कबीर खान, जो स्क्रिप्ट राइटर सलीम खान को बहुत मानते हैं, उन्होंने अभी बताया कि जब सलीम खान को फर्स्ट कट यानी फिल्म दिखाई गई तो उनके रिएक्शन ने पूरी टीम को रुला दिया था। कबीर ने कहा, मैंने उन्हें फर्स्ट कट दिखाया, सलीम जी एडिट रूम से बाहर आए, बिना एक वर्ड कहे और आकर ही मुझे एक झप्पी ले ली। इससे ज्यादा क्या कहूँ मैं। कबीर ने ये भी रिवील किया कि कैसे सलीम उनके मेंटर थे पूरी फिल्म के दौरान। और ट्यूबलाइट का टैगलाइन, क्या तुम्हें यकीन है, सलीम खान का ही दिया हुआ है। लेकिन सलीम खान ने हम्बली रिएक्ट करते हुए इसका श्रेय नहीं लिया और कहा कि ये पूरी टीम का एफर्ट है। सलीम खान के रिव्यू से तो अब हम डबल श्योर है कि ट्यूबलाइट एक फाइन आर्टवर्क होगी, है ना? Ever since the radio song from Tubelight was launched, fans have gone completely berserk enjoying the peppy foot-tapping number. Salman shown in his innocent tramp, which incidentally is a tribute to the greatest showman Raj Kapoor, and we must say that he has done an amazing job. And now the recently shared making video of the song popped up, a surprise at us. Fans were delighted to see glimpses of Suzu dancing along in glory and wow. The diva looked absolutely ethereal in her simplicity. Based on the backdrop of the war between India and China, the film narrates the journey of Salman in search of his lost brother. Well, coming back to Salman and Suzu, did you enjoy their magical moves in the radio song as yet? Do let us know. Karan Johar's upcoming movie Raat Baki may soon mark the debut of Salman Khan's brother-in-law Ayush Sharma. Though Kejo was keen to cast Fawad Khan in the film, he is now skeptical due to the informal ban on Pakistani artists working in India. So when good friend Salman Khan asked him to plan for a perfect launchpad for his brother-in-law, Karan decided to cast him in the film across the British beauty Katrina Kaif as the main lead in Raat Baki, which is a musical love story. The film will now be made under the banner of Salman's home production, Salman Khan Films. Well, if this turns out to be true, we will soon get to see yet another good-looking jodi pair up. Now that would be quite nice, don't you think so? Do let us know in the comment section and stay tuned for more updates on this hot story.
Sajan Radio is a big celebratory dance number styled in the 60s for tapping dance form, and choreographer Remo has done an amazing piece of choreography. Filmmaker Kabir Khan revealed that the song was a celebratory number which takes a cue from the news of the end of war, which was announced on the radio. The entire town, the entire region comes together to celebrate. The shooting, which went on with almost 1,000 people on the set, was a Herculean task. But Remo and Kabir Khan seem to have done an amazing task. Remo was all praise for Salman and how he never rehearsed, and instead added a touch of spontaneity to the long dance moves. The results are out to see. Sajan Radio is already reigning high on the playlist and will definitely be one hell of a party number for long. Don't you think so? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. The story of Kabir Khan and Salman Khan's third collaboration, Tubelight, is set against the backdrop of the war between India and China in the year 1962. And so a very crucial scene of the film depicts the Indian army as it was way back then. To make it look authentic, 600 actors were cast in the scene in question. Salman Khan's real-life brother Sohail Khan essays the role of his real-life brother, who is an army officer. who goes to war for his country. The events ensuing to give us glimpses into a lesser known chapter of history and will definitely make for an interesting watch. Don't you think so? Do let us know by commenting in the section below.
A new question doing the rounds is who is the real Bahubali of Bollywood? The options are Salman Khan or Prabhas. Well, when singer Palak Muchal was quizzed about this, she initially tried to brush aside the question and said there is no comparison between the two. Speaking about numbers, she stated that artists never believe in numbers, rather they believe in appreciation. Salman and Prabhas both have had their fair share of appreciation, so comparing them would indeed be unfair. However, on persisting, she did reveal that Salman is her personal favorite. On the other hand, the talented filmmaker Anil Sharma, who had recently claimed that Bahubali 2 had in reality not broken any records as yet too, was quite clear that he didn't want to answer this question and dig out a controversy. Nonetheless, the Gadar filmmaker did speak volumes about both Prabhas and Salman. So the question still remains unanswered. This makes us curious to know what is your opinion of the real Bahubali. Do drop in your comments in the section below as we share the final verdict with you soon. Salman is busy promoting his upcoming film Tube Light, and the Bhai has also wrapped up the second schedule of his espionage thriller Tiger Zinda Hai with no time left to breathe. But amidst this busy schedule and major professional commitments, a shocking news about a major tiff between the Khan brothers, Salman and Arbaz, has come to the limelight. Yes, while the Khan brothers are known to bond quite well and their family is one big unit, brother Arbaz is quite miffed with Salman. Reason? Apparently, Arbaz has been eagerly waiting to direct the next inning of Dabangg 3, but despite repeated requests, Salman is not able to find time for his brother's venture, and this has left Arbaz angry. Well, we do understand that Salman is a big star and has his calendar for the next 2 years full, but nonetheless, we would love to see the antiques of Chulbul Pandey once more. Meanwhile, news is that Arbaz is keen to cast Salman's alleged girlfriend Ulya Vantur in the film along with the original Rajo Sonakshi Sinha. Now that would be something worth watching. Don't you think so? The year began on a shocking note when Bollywood couple Malaika Arora and Arbaz Khan announced that they had filed for divorce. While we were wondering what went wrong in their 15-year-old marriage, reasons trickled out. Well, apparently one of the reasons was that Malaika was unhappy with Arbaz living under the shadow of brother Salman Khan, who incidentally didn't get along too well with Malaika. Owing to Arbaz's failed career, Malaika was single-handedly handling the expenses of her son Arhan, something which left her with a bitter taste. In the meanwhile, there were rumors that Arbaz's growing proximity with his Romanian girlfriend Alexandria didn't go down too well with Malaika, and for the past 2 years, the couple have been leading separate lives. While the entire Khan clan tried to make things work out, the couple eventually got divorced, and now Arbaz may soon move on and tie the knot with his lady love Alexandria, with whom he seems to be spending quite some time. Their body language speaks volumes of their relationship, and an announcement may soon be on the cards. What do you feel hearing this news? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Everyone knows that there is no love lost between the Romanian beauty Ulya Vantur and the British diva Katrina Kaif. Reason? Well, matters of the heart. While Katrina and Salman were in an intense relationship some time back, the two broke up, and years later, Salman found love with Ulya. But it now seems that Ulya is not quite happy with Salman reuniting with his former flame, and so when Katrina joined the Instagram bandwagon, she received a warm welcome from B-Towners, including Salman Khan, who was the first to welcome her. But it seems that Ulya refrained from following Kat on Instagram despite the entire Khan clan cajoling her. This makes us wonder if Salman Khan's proximity with Katrina is becoming a tad too much for Ulia to cope with. What do you think? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. All Salman fans out there gear up to witness a picture which will leave you reeling in delirious glee. So move on and hold on to your chair tight before you see the spectacular leaked image from Tubelight. Ready? On your marks, get set, here we go. Wow, amazing! What poignant emotions, a true delight. Well, when we laid our hands on this picture, we too couldn't help but go completely bananas. The picture shows the main lead Salman Khan with Chinese actress Zuzu and small wonder Mateen Tangu, who plays a pivotal role in the film. The scene in question has Mateen blowing his cheeks like an air balloon while Salman and Zuzu playfully punch his cheeks from both the sides. Don't the three give a perfectly family look? Let us know by commenting in the section below. Filmmaker Kabir Khan seems truly excited about his third collaboration, Tubelight, with Salman Khan after Ek Tha Tiger and Bajrangi Bhaijaan. The plot, the star cast, the locations and the emotions all hold promise of some unimaginable entertainment and never forgettable cinematic experience. While fans have been lapping up on every detail about this film, which features Chinese actress Zuzu in a pivotal role across the Bhaijaan of B-Town, Kabir Khan made a special announcement on Twitter that made all the netizens crazy. Apparently, the talented filmmaker has announced the launch date of Tubelight with a tweet stating, #Tubelight trailer out in the 25th of May. Can't wait to show you guys. Kabir Khan also attached a picture of the certificate from the Central Board of Film Certification for the trailer in Glee. Well, with just 2 more days to go, we are sure that you too must be quite excited to see the trailer. Henna? Let us know by commenting in the section below. Sunny Deol's son Karan Deol is on the threshold of his Bollywood debut with the film Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas, and when news of the new kid making his foray into Bollywood spilled out, B-Towners welcomed the young lad with open arms. While Salman Khan was one of the first to wish him online, other celebs took to Twitter to welcome Karan and make him one of their own. Here are some of the tweets by some of the stalwarts of the industry. It all began when proud pa Sunny Deol shared a picture of Karan on Twitter with the caption, "Started #Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas, Karan's first day at shoot. Can't get enough. My boy has grown big. #love, #actor, #life." This tweet went viral and SRK was one of the first to welcome Karan and congratulate Sunny with a tweet, "All the best, Papa. He looks as tough and gentle as you. May all good things come his way." Salman Khan too shared a lovely picture of the father-son duo and posted, "Karan Deol, welcome to the Hindi film industry, congrats." Well, getting such a wonderful welcome does make a great start for Karan, and we hope that he is able to match steps with all the well-established industry insiders and carve his own niche. While we bring more updates, do let us know what do you feel about Karan's entry into Bollywood. Drop in your congratulatory messages in the comment section below. Sanket Bhosle is one hell of a talented mimic who can leave you in splits with his rendition of B-Town celebs. While he is good at mimicking Salman, Shah Rukh, Kailash Kher, Sonu Nigam and others, the one star he loves to ape is our very own dear Sanjay Dutt. Fondly known as Sanju Baba, recently Sanket got the opportunity to meet his muse in person and also perform in front of him. A video taken at a party has Sanket mimicking the star in his very august presence, and wow, what a reaction! Sanju Baba seemed dumbstruck and had no words, but the smile which lit up his face told it all. Meanwhile, Sanket also has another feather up his cap when filmmaker Rajkumar Hirani approached him to train actor Ranbir Kapoor in the nuances of Sanjay Dutt's style for the upcoming biopic based on the life of Sanjay Dutt. Well, one look at the video is sure to leave everyone awestruck, and we are sure that under his tutelage, Ranbir too will get the Baba's look just right. Don't you think so? Do let us know what do you think about this by commenting in the section below. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan's Khan's look hit the nail on the head with amazing precision, and the diva looked no less than a nymph from another planet. Donning a Cinderella gown in powdered blue, Ash looked ethereal in the Michael Kinko dress, and the designer was quite proud of the masterpiece that he took to Instagram to flaunt his creation by opening the caption stating, "Voted as one of the most beautiful women in the world, the stunning Aishwarya Rai channeled her inner Cinderella." Well, the post did receive quite a few likes, but one particular like came from unexpected quarters. Surprise, surprise! It was from Salman Khan's alleged lady love, Ulia Bantur. Now this comes as a surprise, given that Ulia is quite aware of Salman and Aishwarya having a steamy affair in the past. It does seem that Ulia has no worries from Aishwarya, given that the former beauty is already married to Abhishek Bachchan and has a 5-year-old daughter Aradhya. What else could be the reason? Do let us know by commenting in the section below.